Welcome everyone to another episode of Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you today with a Happy Canada Day edition of Beer of the Week. Just for the celebration, I decided to wear my Canada Day shirt. Oh wait, I didn't. We really have to fire someone, probably Garrett, because he's in charge of wardrobe. So hey Garrett, you're gonna have a stern talking to after this video.
Oh! What the hell, man? That was my beer!
Coming at you with a very Canadian beer from a brewery called Bench Brewing. They actually transformed an old public school into this brewery, added, I believe, a hop farm in the back where they grow their own hops. It's a massive facility, great location to drive out on a nice summer weekend, or even in the wintertime, it's nice to go there as well. Bench actually partnered with a very Canadian institution, the Hamilton Tiger Cats, which is one of our Canadian Football League teams. Yes, Canada has its own football league. So Bench partnered with the Ticats to make this particular lager. So it's a 4.4% lager, just a beautiful addition to any football game. Even in the wintertime, lagers, I know, a little bit more synonymous with an enjoyable summer day, but lagers are good all year round. I don't care what you say. Lagers are good whenever you want a lager, don't you know? So happy Canada Day. Actually, Canada turns 155 this year from its original birthday in 1867. Let's give this a open up and pour. Pour, and I missed the cup. Missed it a little bit, but that's okay because you have a cloth, and that's what the cloth is there for. So, super beautiful golden color. You can see right through. I can see my fingers right through the glass. It's beautiful, very light. Yeah, super, just a lovely lager smell, very bready. Smell those fresh maltiness. Yeah, that's superb. Super crisp, really quite light. Could really would label this, as Garrett and I like to call, a very crushable beer. You can crush a lot of these on a game day for sure. Let us know your favorite Canadian beer in the comments. We'd love to know. Canada, we got over 1,100 breweries in the country, so no shortage of wonderful beer to say the least. Bench Brewing, can't say enough good things about them. Definitely check them out the next time you're in the Niagara region. Happy Canada Day, ladies and gentlemen, and remember, craft beer is here.